Hi everyone, I'm Arun Kumar, studying BCA final year in KCS Kasaragod College of Arts and Science. I am now going to say a paragraph from the subject of software testing. Testing model. Environment. A program's environment is the hardware and software required to make it run for online system. The environment may include communication lines, other system terminals and operators. The environment also includes all programs that interact with and are used to create the program under test, such as OS, linkage editor, loader, compiler, utility routines. Because the hardware and firmware are stable, it is not smart to blame the environment for bugs. Program. Most programs are too complicated to understand in detail. The concept of the program is to be simplified in order to test it. If simple model of the program does not explain the unexpected behavior, we may have to modify that model to include more facts and details. And if that fails, we may have to modify the program. Bugs. Bugs are more insidious than ever we expect them to be. An unexpected test result may lead us to change our notion of what a bug is and our model of bugs. Some optimistic notations that many program or testers have about bugs are usually unable to test effectively and unable to justify the dirty test most programs need. Optimistic notation about bugs. Benign bugs hypothesis, bug locality hypothesis, control bug domains, code and data separation, lingua solvated est, correction avid, silver bullets, sadism suspicious, angelic tester. Test. Tests are formal procedure. Input must be prepared. Outcomes should predicted. Test should be documented. Comments need to be executed and the result had to be observed. All these errors are subjected to error. We do three distinct kinds of testing on a typical software system. They are unit and component testing, integration, system testing. Role of model. The art of testing consists of creating, selecting, exploring, and revising models. Our ability to go through this process depends on the number of different models we have to and their ability to express a program's behavior. Yeah, playing pool and consulting oracles. The tester who cannot make that kind of a prediction does not understand the program functional objectives. Oracle. An oracle is any program, process, or body of data that specifies the expected outcome of a set of tests as applied to a tested object. Source of oracles. If every test designer had to analyze and predict the expected behavior for every cases for every component, then test design would be very expensive. Fiddle testing, regression test suite, purchased suite and oracles, exiting program. Is complete testing possible? If the objective of the testing were to prove that a program is free of bugs, then testing not only would be practically impossible, but also would be theoretically impossible. Three different approaches can be used to demonstrate that a program is correct. They are functional testing, structural testing, formal proof of correctness. Theoretical barriers of complete testing. We can never be sure that the specifications are correct. No verification system can verify every correct program. We can never be certain that a verification system is correct. Thank you for listening. Stay home, stay safe, wear mask.